When I became a cookery writer years ago, my first burning campaign was to rid us all of this musty, dusty ingredient called ground pepper. Because once ground, like all other spices, it loses its fragrance and flavour. Whereas freshly ground pepper has a very special role in cooking and eating. Peppercorns begin as immature berries which are harvested and dried in the sun, and they look like this. They have a black outer casing which has all the aromatic fragrance which enhances food, and a white inner kernel which adds a touch of fireyness. If the heat is all that's needed, the berries are left to mature, the outer husks discarded, and these are what we call white peppercorns. They have lots of heat, but not the fragrance and flavour of the whole peppercorn. If a recipe calls for coarsely ground black pepper, the peppercorns can be crushed like this with a pestle and mortar. If you don't have one of these, you can crush the peppercorns by pressing them with the back of a tablespoon on a flat surface. What all kitchens and dining rooms need is a really good pepper mill. Or more importantly, one that always works. Like this one, which is so good we've given it our stamp of approval. They're called CrushGrind and have a ceramic mechanism which can be adjusted by turning the mill upside down, giving it a tap to release any trap bits, then give it a few twists and turn the wheel clockwise for finer and anti-clockwise for coarser. They actually come with a lifetime guarantee, and if the mechanism fails, they will replace it. So, after 42 years of failed pepper mills, this, in my opinion, is definitely a step forward for humankind.